Hey everyone, in the previous lesson we discussed the shading and we discussed also the tilt angle. Now we would like to, so we provided different methods for the tilt angle. Now we would like to see how can I do this. So first we have different methods. The first one is going to this website of NASA, and then get our latitude, and from here we can get the tilt angle. This is the first method. So first I'm going to this website. You can see here power.larc.nasa.government.data-access viewer. Okay, so what is the next step? The next step is that I'm going to find my own location. So I'm going to get back like this. And for example, I will choose, for example, in Egypt, in Cairo, Egypt, like this. Okay, so here, this is Egypt and this is Cairo. So what I'm going to do is that I would like to find the latitude of this location. So simply you can see this icon, which is used to point at a location. So simply I will click like this and go to anywhere like this. You can see the point which I selected has first you can see latitude and longitudinal or longitude. So the latitude is 30 degrees. Okay, 30 degrees. So according to the first method here, okay, after going to the website we get the latitude. Then if my own latitude, okay, so I'm going to type like this, get the calculator like this. And so if your latitude is from 0 to 25, use this method. From 25 to 50, use this method. So as you can see, my latitude is 30. Okay, 30.0193. Okay, so I'm going to type this latitude like this. Okay, and which is between 25 and 50. So we will take this latitude and multiply it by 0.87. like this, multiplied by 0.87. okay, then what is the next step? Add 3.1 degrees. Okay, so I'm going like this, plus 3.1 degrees. Okay, so you can see that the optimum angle using this method is 29.2 degrees. So this is a tilt angle that I'm going to use. Okay, now another method which I said is that we can set the tilt angle equal to the latitude, and the latitude itself is 30 degrees. So I can say that the tilt angle is 30 degrees, which is close to this value. Okay, now the third way is that we can go to this website, solarelectricityhandbook.com, and use the solar angle calculator here, this one. Okay, this website can help you to get the tilt angle for different months. Okay, so first I'm going to select the country. Here same idea, Egypt, then the city, Cairo. Where's Cairo? Let's go down here, Cairo. Okay, so you can see that this website gives you what? Gives you the angle, the optimum angle for each month. Okay, so this formula which I used here, this formula and this one gives you the optimum tilt angle for a fixed orientation. In the case of you don't change the angle at all. If you are changing the angle every month, then you can use this website. Okay, now you can see this angle. What does this angle? This angle is between the vertical and the panel. Okay, vertical and the panel, not between, not here. You can see tilt angle here is between the panel and the horizontal. Okay, so in order to get the tilt angle, which is the horizontal angle, you will just subtract 90 degrees. Okay, so as an example for here, like this, for summer, for example, or spring, for example, we have the angle here this small angle which is between the horizontal and the panel is 90 degrees minus 60, so it will give us 30 degrees for spring. Okay, now for each month here, this angles is between the verticals, so you subtract 90 degrees from all of this, you will get the angle between it and the horizontal. Okay, this is another method. Now the last method here is that using this website, Footprint Hero. This website can help you to get the solar panel tilt angle. Okay, so for example here I'm going to say Cairo, like this, Cairo, Egypt. So it will give you here from the horizontal line, you can see the optimum year-round tilt angle. Okay, through the whole year is 26.6 degree, and using this method here, we obtained how much? We obtained 29 degrees, and this method 30 degrees. You can see there are different values. Now this website also gives you the values, optimum tilt angle by seasons and by each month. Now if you look at here at this one and get back here to this map, you'll find that the optimum angle is between 26 degrees and 37 degrees. Okay, between 26 and 37, this two methods, this method and this method provides 29 and 30 degrees, which is in this range. Okay, now let's see this one. You can find here 26, 26, 40, 36, 26, 11, and so on. So yeah, most of these values fall in this region. Okay, most of it. Okay, now if we look again here, so this is another method. Okay, you can find here for according to the zip code for any for in the USA, you can get the optimum angle by the location. So you can find here that we discussed several methods, and even when you start working with BVSYST program, which we are going to discuss, which is used to design PV systems, you will find that we can have an angle which is different from this one too. Okay, so in the end we have different methods to get the optimum angle, but the best way, in my own opinion, so that you can prevent yourself from different calculations, you can simply use this one, this rule, which is the tilt angle equal to the latitude of the location, or by using this rule. Okay, so in this lesson we discussed an example on how to get the tilt angle for a location.